think I'm gonna let you go right now because I'm gonna deep me. I'm just scared that someone will touch my phone off me.
It's so
Talk
hot.
to you later. Bye. Yeah, okay, bye.
I wish I had a fan. Excuse me, miss. You're invading my space. Wait.
Oh my god, Celeste, it's you!
Celeste,
Oh my
it's
god.
you. You're here.
How have you been? How
It's
are
been a
you?
while.
How
I
you
miss
been?
you. I miss you too. Good.
Yeah. My life is great. You know me.
Hey, wait. Your
I
face
never
is so.
change. About you, how are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, really? Oh, yeah, I think I know that. It's really hot in here. Yeah, bro. Thanks.
Hi guys, good morning.
Yoo-hoo! When shall we start going? It's getting hot in here.
English. Sandali!
Sige bounce, benta, bounce, new joints para mafia, benta, bounce, benta.
Oh, by the way, who among you will try to join our basketball club? I heard they are looking for members now that most of their players are graduated already.
Wait, let's join together. Mom, can me and Calvin join together?
Okay, you two. I'm going to send your names to Mr. Romel. Just be ready in
Right,
case.
Mom. Thank you.
Hi, how come boys can only join? I'm expecting to be a member.
Why bother? You're a girl. You'll lose either way.
Do you have something to say, you punk? Just say something and I'm gonna drag you out to the street.
Hey, calm down. You're killing him.
So, you're lucky I'm with Celeste. Because if I'm not, you're going to
Stop. This Samson will start scolding us soon if you two don't stop fighting.
Huh? Sige bounce, benta, bounce, two joints para mafia, benta, bounce.
Sasa,
Benta,
do you know what we're gonna do when we get there?
Really? You're asking me? I went with the class to search for someone handsome along the trip. But why don't we ask Miss Samson? Miss Samson, what should we do when we arrive on site?
Oh, about that, as you all know, we're going camping. And before that, we should set our equipment up first, like the tents that our school provided. We will spend our night on the side, of course. When we get there, I assign groups that will be tasked with the same work. Some will be cooking our dinner, assembling the tents, and many more.
But Miss Samson, why don't we plan right now so when we get there we can...
That's right.
It's not obvious that you like her, isn't it?
Shh. Someone might hear you.
Okay, let's assign it now. But before that, look for a pair, because we will assign tasks by pair.
You'll be my pair no matter what.
Of course, you're my best friend. What can I even do?
There's an act for forgiveness. Can we be paired?
Okay.
It's not obvious that you are forced, aren't you?
Students, let's talk about the work later on. I'm just doing some things, okay?
Kaya ako sa jeepney, ikaw ang nakatabi, di makapaniwala. Parang mahiwagang nadama nung tumama sa'yo ang aking mga mata. At nagsiksikan na dahil tumigil ang jeepney sa tapat ng eskwela. Biglang nagkadikit.
Maybe it's time to assign some work. So, who do you think should set up the tents?
Ma'am, I have an idea.
Yes.
I think boys should do the hard work, such as building tents, while girls should cook our food.
Who do you think you are? Why do you think girls should only do the light task, huh?
I think Roberto has a point. The boys should handle the work where strength is needed. We should protect the girls from harm.
So you're saying that girls are not strong enough to do that kind of thing?
No, that's not what I meant. That's what mostly women do, right? Cook food and do household chores.
Don't ever think about us like that. We're not servant for you to tell us what we can and what we cannot do.
Boys and girls, stop that. We are doing this to instill cooperation, but what you are doing right now is the opposite. Stop that, okay?
Boy, I think I said a little bit harsh earlier.
I don't think we should apologize for the things we are concerned.
I beg to disagree, Calvin. I think you both are wrong.
Miss Samson?
The girls have a point that women are not servants. Girls can also do things that boys can do. A person's worth is not decided by their gender. Some people, regardless of gender, do things according to their preferences. Boys can be feminine and girls can be masculine at some times.
Why do others consider it that way, miss? Boys are strong while females are weak compared to them.
That's because society tells them to think that way. We should break those prejudices and live equally and be fair for everyone. So, maybe, you should think and initiate an apology to the girls.
Yeah, cops. Let's go apologize to them. Hey, what was that for?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, everyone, let's go.
Celeste, hi. I would like to apologize for earlier. I should have known better. I'm so sorry, Celeste.
Oh, it's okay. It's fine to me, but talk to the others, okay?
Yeah, I know, but I would like you to be my pair for today. Is that okay?
I think Shasa might oppose it. So,
Why are you still here? Come on!
Tayong tali, sabi mo.
I would like to apologize for earlier, Roberto.
Ako sandali. Ayoko nang pumara kahit saan mapunta.
I'm sorry for
Ayoko nang
choosing
pumara
Celeste
kung
over
ikaw ang kasama. Ayoko nang pumara, ayoko nang pumara, ayoko na. Ayoko nang pumara kahit saan palumiko. Ayoko nang pumara, sana di na huminto. Ayoko nang pumara, ayoko nang pumara, ayoko na. Ayoko nang pumara kahit saan mapunta. Ayoko nang pumara kung ikaw ang kasama. Ayoko nang pumara, ayoko nang pumara, ayoko na. Ayoko nang pumara kahit saan palumiko. Ayoko nang pumara, sana di na huminto. Ayoko nang pumara, ayoko nang pumara, ayoko na. Ikaw ang
lang, papel. Pengin papel!
Para mag-apologize ka sa akin.